Hi, Soph. Hey, baby. Can you check out the window, see if Daddy's coming? Is he coming? No sign? Hi. Hi. How's it going? Where are you going? Hey, G. Hi. Hi, sweets. What did you find? A door. That's the fairy princess door, isn't it? Yeah. What do you have, Gigi? You reading the book? Is Daddy here? Do you see him? Where is he? Huh? Where is he? Daddy. Daddy. What do you see out there? Do you see anybody? Should we look out the other door? Should we look out this door? Over here? What about this door? Is that Daddy on the phone? Is it Daddy on the phone? It is Daddy on the phone. Hello? Yeah. All right.